The M1 Garand is chambered for the powerful .3006 Springfield cartridge. This cartridge, officially designated the cartridge caliber .30 M1906, had been the standard U.S. military rifle cartridge since 1906. It replaced the earlier .3003 cartridge and offered improved ballistics. The .3006 is a rimless, bottlenecked cartridge, typically firing a .308-inch diameter bullet weighing between 150 and 180 grains for military applications. The choice of the .3006 Springfield cartridge for the M1 Garand was a logical one. The US military already had vast stockpiles of this ammunition and extensive infrastructure for its production. The .3006 provided excellent long-range performance, good accuracy, and substantial stopping power. The combination